out of the way for you and on the side and the top, like so. I don't want my 16 million LED colors. It goes to the sound of audio. It also goes to a solid light as well. As you can see, you have different types of colors on the lights and a scheme on top of a galaxy. You're looking to dress up your area with LED lights and a speaker system, Bluetooth and auxiliary. Queenfavor may be something that you are looking for. We're going to show you how this thing operates and how to install. The product comes nicely packaged and presented to you with the instructions on top, the pole lights on the top part, and the base and the cables inside. From the makers of Queenfavor, we have a Bluetooth and auxiliary speaker system and LED 16 million colors. We are given an instruction guide for game, music, light, TV lights, computer audio. It has a number of pages in different languages and to show you how to hook up and use your product. What we're going to be doing is demonstrating how to hook this up. It is not application driven. It is Bluetooth driven to your music library of a smartphone. We have a USB-A cable to DIN cable that we're going to plug into a 5 volt, 2 amp power source, not included. Going over the main base unit, on the bottom of each unit are 4 rubber feet. On the back side are 2 baffle holes, 2 USB micro ports that plug into each together to control both units. On the top are your laser locking lights. On the main unit is going to be your auxiliary and Bluetooth button, your LED mode button, your on and off button, and your mode groove button, and both have speakers. Your light poles, they're identical in every way. Your 4 pins on the bottom, and on the top, only one has a adjustable gimbal light. That goes to the main base. The other is flat. The locking tab and an arrow on the bottom simply match up, rotate, push in, and lock into place. Repeat for the other one, like so. The cable measures about 5 feet. They're micro to micro cable. They plug into the port on the right side correctly. They can be placed 5 feet across, and you take the power DIN cable and plug into the power port, 5 volt, 2 amp. For stereo tape decks and auxiliary sound, you have a TRS to TRS 3.5 jack cable. Turning the unit on is a simple press of a button. The unit will talk to you. We'll turn it off and turn it back on again so you can hear what it's saying. Bluetooth mode. It said Bluetooth mode. Grab your phone. As you can see, it's going to my voice. The product is known as BL-LED. Simply click on it. It's connected. And put on your favorite audible sound, music, video, and so forth. That's where you put your floor jack and lift up. Over there, right where the door meets the fender, is going to be your jack point. Some don't like putting it on the crease of the car where it meets. Some will put it on over there or right over here. As we played a video from my library, clap your hands, whatever you like. You can see that on the wall from the lights on top, we can adjust any angle we want. It shines. We have a music groove mode. If we press it, it locks into solid colors that change. That is 1. We'll change it again by hitting the music groove as it goes to your voice up and down. And we hit it again, it goes back to a solid blinking. And then back to the groove mode. Now on the other end is a light mode, LED mode. Press it once for red. Press it again, it changes to green. Again to blue, which is known as your RGB. And the top is blinking and slowly breathing and so forth. Again goes to white. Again goes to a orange color while the top stays at a green color. A purplish color or pink. A white color. A blue color. And so forth. The music button pressed again and pressing the LED button. Those are the ways the light works. If you want to stop the groove, it's a solid color, it changes, and then you can hit to the color you like. The RGB lights can be ran off of your phone, any music hooked up to your computer, anything imaginable. The laser light bar, when removed, will shut the light off entirely, and you can simply place back on and will correct itself and light back up. If you're looking from the companies of Queenfavor, a laser LED and audio system for your computer, your household entertainment, by the desk, partying on a table, to light up the area in different types of modes, to your voice, to the music, and more. This light system may be something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.